Regularly, I hear from clients that they get back pain when they roll over in bed at night. And so this causes them to have a really disrupted sleep, and then they wake feeling very unrefreshed in the morning. If this sounds like something that you suffer from, then stick around to watch this video because I'm going to help you out with that. What people usually do when they roll over in bed is that they twist their low back. So what that does is it stretches everything at the back, all the muscles and the ligaments and the joints, and they can get a bit grumpy from this and cause you pain and wake you up. So what I'm going to do is teach you how to roll with your back straight instead of twisting it. So in many cases, what people do is they kind of just use their upper body to help roll them over, and this puts a lot of strain on the muscles in your low back. So what I want you to do instead is whichever side you want to roll to, you bend the opposite knee, put your foot on the mattress and use your foot and squeeze your glutes to help roll you over and keep your abs braced as you roll. Now I know this can be a little bit hard while you're sleeping, but you can start to get your body used to this to help with less pain. My name is Fiona from Riverside Chiropractic. Hey, if you have any questions about this, please leave a question in the comments section below or direct message me and I'll get back to you. Hey, and if you know someone who could benefit from this, then please share it with them. Thanks and see you soon.